AiXun new product soldering tip cleaner CM30 released. Aluminum alloy sturdy body, matching with the deep tones of sky gray. Net weight 0.78 kg. Connect with power. CM30 is packaged with a DC 55 by 2112 V1A adapter. There is only one button, without any tedious operation. Long press the button to turn on off. Single press to switch among 3 rotate gears. Come with LED. Prepare a T245 soldering handle. You can see that when the soldering tip is close to the cleaning port, the brushes start rotating automatically. Microsecond level reaction, 360-degree full-angle cleaning, enable immediate cleaning when the soldering tip is closing. The cleaning port adopts a 60mm * 40mm tempered glass HD visualized window. Clear and visible cleaning process of the soldering tip, master the cleaning progress in real time. Each CM30 soldering tip cleaner includes an average of nearly 2,000 pieces 0.1mm copper brushes. 3,000 RPM high-speed brushless DC motor, ensuring that each cleaned soldering tip can be restored to its original gloss. Now this T245 soldering tip has been cleaned. Before cleaning on the left, and after cleaning on the right. It's very clear and visible after cleaning. There is a magnetic tin drawer at the bottom. Pull out the magnetic tin drawer. Meanwhile, the copper brush inside can be replaced. Pull out the magnetic tin drawer. There is a screw hole at the bottom of the copper brush. Need to use a 1.5 hex screwdriver. After unscrewing the screw, push the copper brush outward to remove it. When replacing, align the screw holes at the end of the copper brush with the screw holes on the rotor of the device. Fasten the unscrew to complete the replacement. AiXun's innovative capacitance sensing design, microsecond level sensitive reaction. Enable immediate cleaning when the soldering tip is closing. Matching with the crystal clear visualized window, master the cleaning progress in real time. Extremely austere design, intelligent control. There is only one button on the whole device, no any tedious operation. Long press the button to turn off the device. Above is the operation guide of soldering tip cleaner, CM30. To learn more about AiXun products and software updates, please follow AiXun YouTube channel AiXun or official website www.AiXun.com.